jumping the gun. I'm a little bit early. It's still November. The end of the year has not arrived yet. But I made 3 broad predictions of investments for 2025 at the start of the year in very early January. And so I wanted to cover those. There was 3, again, very broadly. There was 3 assets that I said that I forecasted would be very successful in 2025, and these are those 3. The first one I forecasted was precious metals, predominantly gold, but I paid special attention to silver. I believe it had a little bit more of an edge over gold. Reason why I thought that is because we had global tensions were escalating. I didn't see that backing off into 2025, despite what the POTUS was saying. I believe that it would continue ramping up, and so I thought precious metals would be an amazing opportunity for 2025. I thought silver would perform higher than gold, which is what I've seen it done already. The reason for that is because it's more accessible to the retail market because of its price point and affordability and storability as well, and so we've seen that play out. My second forecast or projection for 2025 was military, aka defense stocks. And the reason for that is similar to the precious metals play. I saw global tensions would continue to escalate and not de-escalate, and so that was part of my reasoning. Stocks like DroneShield, which I've been an investor now for over 3 years, which did extremely well, exceedingly well in Australia on the Australian Stock Exchange. And my third and final prediction for 2025 was the crypto market. I didn't think it had finished. I thought it would still have a ways to run. We are now in early November and it's plateauing. So that's my third and final prediction, and hasn't taken off, for which I forecasted it to. Do I believe it's going to take off by the end of the year? Yes, I do. But I'm not as confident as what I was earlier in the year. So those are my 3 major predictions that I made. I'm being fully transparent because I love transparency and I love being challenged on my investment thesis. So if you do have a challenging thesis that you want to share, add a comment and I'd love to get back to that. But that was my Money Media wrap-up forecast for 2025. No doubt later in December I'll probably have a second one for this, once we see where crypto goes. But if you want to join us at Money Media, where we cover all things business, finance and economics, and obviously investments as well, and I'll see you in the next video.